Hoover Dam.
Here we are at Hoover Dam.
Yeah.
Named after Herbert Hoover, the president.
You like that socialist project he made?
It's a very unique project. This is where they get most of the energy for this state, Nevada. We're here at the Hoover Dam, and you can really see what a monumental project this must have been in the 30s. And then James Bond jumping.
The famous location where he went all the way down.
I remember that. That was an incredible job. It is absolutely incredible.
Grand Canyon.
It's incredible how it's all that one length on the top.
What do you think of your first trip here at the Grand Canyon, Michael?
It's an incredible location. There's really nothing like it. In fact, when you see it, you're almost shocked by it when you see it actually, because you're almost accustomed to seeing a billboard or something of it. But this is the real deal. It's the real deal. It's really amazing.
Oh my gosh, it's a squirrel!
A lot of people do that.
Where's the squirrel? Right over here. Oh, I see it closer up.
Somebody can start and finish on
A squirrel! What are you doing?
We're here at the Grand Canyon finally. It took us about 6 hours to get here. If someone were to throw something, it would fall for quite thousands of feet. Probably prohibited.
It is very remarkable location.
Try not to make it a boring.
Oh, here's the Grand Canyon again.
It'd be great in HD.
Not a hole. It's a very natural ditch. My dad called it.
Just trying to show how popular this place is.
What?
Maybe because of you.
I mean, if you're that cold, we can go.
What do you think, Danny?
It's amazing. It's definitely worth the trip here. I wonder how far it goes like this.
Oh, it goes for like 300 miles of this.
Huh.
It'd be cool to fly over it like one of those low-flying planes, because it could go for quite a while. And there's helicopter tours too, but not on this end. I found. And here's little Mikey, always in the way.
Hey, hey, hey.
You're either on one end or the other. It's an incredibly big thing. It's like 300 miles from one to into the other. It's one of the most incredible. Wait.
Look, there's no rail here. There's always a risk of something happening though. But I can sue the federal government for not putting in place a railing for me if I were to fall over.
Oh, are you that dumb?
I probably would not survive if I were to fall. You think this captures it? I can't really see. Pretty far from the cliff. You think this captures it?
Wait, I'm okay. What if I'm on like the ground next to it? If I'm like near an egg?
picture in there.
Oh!
She has, that old lady has no idea that she's being talked about 500 miles away at the Grand Canyon. Right, Mike?
Yes, we're at the Grand Canyon. Incredible location down there. Incredible.
I want to see the basement.
Oh,
The basement, Sean.
the basement!
Sean, here's the basement for you. All the way down there. Oh, okay, there's the basement.
No. I still don't try.
Okay, here we are at the edge of the Grand Canyon. Down below is a really huge cliff.
Wow,
You cannot even imagine how high up this is.
that's the basement.
46.
Huh? Right now it is?
Yeah.
Yep.
They say it's going to be 30 degrees.
Oh my gosh.
7:15 at sunset. It's going to be 30 degrees.
Okay.
We're here at probably one of the better angles of the Grand Canyon now. As you can see, we took about a dozen pictures already where it looks like we're going to jump off the cliff, but it doesn't do anything because there's a latch here, but it's pretty cool because it looks like we're going to fall down somewhere in this big canyon. Grandest canyon of them all.
Apparently some people have fallen off here by mistake. Because there was a sign that said they did.
It does look real.